Alright guys, in this video I am going to review on Samsung Galaxy A53 5G phone. So hey guys, I'm Ikhtier Ahmed and you are watching ARZONE. So without wasting any more time, let's begin. Okay, Samsung Galaxy A53 5G phone. Its display type is Super AMOLED display size is 6.5 inches, resolution is 1080 into 2400 pixels, and its weight is 189 gram. Processor is Exynos 1280. Its operating system is Android 12, and its internal storage is 128 GB and 256 GB. RAM is 4 GB, 6 GB and 8 GB. Its front camera is 32 megapixel, back camera is 64 megapixel, and its battery capacity is 5000 milliampere. Charging is 25 watts fast charging, and colors are black, white, blue and peach. So that is the specifications of this phone. Please subscribe this channel and turn on the notification so that you can find these kinds of tech news. See you in the next video.